I'm driving.
No, do you know when I'm vlogging like this and I'm happy, I don't think any stress. It makes me happy. So I can just do vlog. I think I don't need to go to work. I just do vlog. I just do vlogging.
Family on the news. That's all they do as a family.
Vlogging.
No, and they make loads of money.
Yeah,
Just
they
acting
do.
daft.
Especially like the whole family like that, and then they do
But-
different things, you know.
Do you know the reason they're on the news? Because someone burned the car out and nearly burnt the house down that they were living in. And she's just had a newborn baby.
Really? Oh my God. Summer ako ngayon. Naka-sleeveless ako. If I do it like that. Like that. Look at the sports car. I think it's the car before is like this. The
Yeah, this is a new model.
yeah, the previous car we have.
That's
Blue one.
207.
Yeah.
Was that ours were a 207, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think so. But they still look good. This 2008, this one, right?
Yeah.
But look at
What were
it.
ours?
I think 2007.
Hmm.
But they still look like brand new. But no, you cannot really put much. It's just like for two person and then a tiny, you know, a skinny person at the back.
No, too much to spend on it.
Yeah, it's not worth it. Right, let's go, Curry PC World. We're going to that shop, PC World. Because dyan namin binili yung laptop namin na ano, tag-isa kami ni Martin. So, we will go that shop to buy a washing machine. You can buy sorts of thing in here as well. Appliances. Up. Gym, Jennifer goes here, in this gym here. My
I'm
daughter
thinking of
goes.
joining that.
Yeah,
next
my
time
daughter
I
goes
start-
to this gym.
Next time
The
I
gym, yeah.
start the gym.
Yeah.
again. It's cheaper.
Right. It's cheaper than the one near us, right?
Yeah.
Do they have swimming?
It's £50 a month, the one near me.
Mm. Okay guys, bye for now. Magpapark na kami.
Just try finding a
Going
decent
to
spot.
vlog again later. Pag nandun na kami sa shop. Bye! Thumbs up! Thumbs up!